Namaste friends, welcome to my art channel. Now you see art. Join me in making this art portfolio. So the materials that is required is a chart paper, scissors, glue stick, pencil, scale. Let us begin now. It is very easy to make. The file has to be slightly bigger than our A4 size paper. So here I am measuring and I am just assessing how big I want my file to be. And now I am marking the spine of the file. The paper is folded, so that is why you're not able to see the whole length and breadth of the chart paper. It is folded paper that you are seeing. Now I am marking half an inch at the folded side of the paper, and this is for making a spine. The spine shows the thickness of the file. So I am making quite a big thick file, as I am going to insert lot of drawings, lot of art work of mine. And now I am here showing you, here I am marking the length of the file. The length of the file I am keeping as 1 feet, or it is 12 inches. And again, as you see, I am marking slightly bigger than the usual A4 size paper. I am marking it on both the sides so that I cut it properly. It should look even. It should look neat and clean. The presentation should be very good. So now I'm back with this A4 size paper and I have to mark the width of the file. And the A4 size width is usually 8.25 and I'm going to mark it 9 inches. As I said before, I'm making a slightly larger file because I have to take into consideration that I'll be inserting my plastic files also, and inside that plastic files there will be my drawings. Now I have cut the file according to the dimensions measured. This is how it looks. This looks like a very simple file, but the work is not yet done. I need some kind of a holder, so where I can place all my drawings, where I can bind my drawings. So here what I have done, I have taken this extra piece of this paper and I'm marking it into, and I'm going to divide this into 3 parts. And then I'm going to cut the extra part of the paper. I'm still marking. It takes time. I have to be very precise. The lines have to be very straight. So here I'm cutting the extra piece and now I'll fold it. But before folding it, I will crease on these lines. I will use a blade or a scissor. You can use whichever it is easy for you, but make sure that you don't put too much pressure when you're creasing the paper, otherwise the paper will tear. So creasing helps in easy folding of the paper. So it is done. Now this looks like a fold holder, and now I have to make some points or the holes where I can insert a thread to bind my sheets. So what I have done, again I am using this plastic flap for my measurements. I will mark these circles and I will punch them on all the two sides. So now this is done. Now paste it firmly on the folder. So this art portfolio, it's for beginners. You can make it more elaborate file. You can make it with more thicker spine. The choice is yours. This is a very simple, easy to make file that I am showing. Then in these holes I'm going to insert a thread, and then it will bind my sheets of flaps, plastic flaps. So the file is ready. So from now on you will see what kind of drawings I will be inserting. These are just tips. You can improve as you go along with this video. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching, friends. Until next time. Bye.